Hi everyone, today in this video we're going to look at using the NewTek NDI for Adobe Creative Cloud Plug In. We'll show you how you can use it in your live video production with vMix. For those that are new to NDI, it's a protocol developed by NewTek that allows you to send and receive audio and video sources over a local network. vMix allows you to send and receive NDI sources so you can connect it up to any NDI compatible device or software on your network. This includes other vMix machines, TriCasters, graphics generators, scoreboards, just to name a few. This is where the NDI Adobe plugin comes into play. With this plugin, you're able to play out directly from Adobe Creative Cloud products via NDI into your live production. This includes things like Premiere Pro and After Effects. This means that you can create videos and titles and send them to your live production without having to render and upload them. You just play back the video in your Adobe product and use that NDI source in vMix. One handy application for this in live production is being able to create dynamic titles that can be edited quickly and then played via NDI. Adobe Premiere Pro allows you to play out with an alpha channel so you can edit your live titles there and export them when needed. As it stands, you can't play out with an alpha channel through After Effects. However, what you could do is through the playout, you can add a green background and then use a chroma key in vMix to remove the green. Okay, let's get started. First, you'll need to acquire the Adobe NDI plugin either through the watermarked free trial or through the $10 per month subscription. Once you have acquired and installed the plugin, then you need to make some changes to your playback. This can be done through the Edit, Preferences, and Playback menu of Premiere Pro. You'll need to select NewTek NDI output for your audio device and for your video device, and then click OK. Now that we've got set up, it means that Adobe is going to play the playback out via NDI. Now, I'm no expert in Premiere or After Effects, so you'll have to go easy on me. Basically, what I've done here is created a new project that uses an alpha video with a lower third title. I've just downloaded this file from Video Blocks, and then I created an animated title for it. I'm sure there's better ways to do this, but this is just to show you how to use this plugin. Now, one very important thing to note is that you'll need to have some empty content at the end of your video. Why is that? Well, when sending the playback, vMix will stop in the last frame's content because that's what's being sent to it via Adobe. So it's important that if you have something like a title or an overlay in a live production that you want to play all the way through and finish with a blank screen, that you need to have some empty content at the end. So just add a couple of transparent video frames at the end of your project if you need to. Now that we have our video ready in Premiere, we just need to add an NDI input into vMix. Okay, so you need to go to Add Input, NDI, and you'll see Premiere Pro here now. So what I'm going to do is just make this an overlay. So when the NDI source comes in, you'll be able to see it. So we hit play, and as you can see, it's playing in Premiere and going out to vMix. So now I can go back into Premiere and I can make changes to that particular title. So if I just remove this, close it down, which bring it back to the start, and then if I bring this in now, you'll see that my changes have gone over via NDI. Now the playout rendering in Premiere is very CPU intensive, so you will need to use it on another computer, and then you can send the playback to the vMix PC via NDI. So there you have it. There's a quick tutorial on how you can use the Adobe plugin to bring in an NDI source into vMix. We showed you how to use the lower third overlay, but the same method is used in order to bring in a normal video. So if you had a full HD video that you wanted to bring in, the exact same process takes place. So if you had somebody that was working on a video production right up until the very start of your live production, they didn't have time to render it, you could use this plugin to send it directly from Premiere to your vMix production. Now, if you want to use After Effects, the process is similar. You will need to go to Preferences and change the video preview to NDI so that you can play back via After Effects. As we mentioned before, there is no alpha channel support for the playback. You'd need to use a green color backdrop for the playback, and then use the chroma key in vMix to take out that green if you wanted to use it. So that's how you use the NDI plugin. It's probably best if you download the free trial, try it out yourself, see if it's going to be usable in your workflow, and then if you wanted to use it, purchase it. I think it's $10 per month to use it. So if you have any questions or anything, please leave them below, and thanks for watching.